Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to control Samsung TV with iPhone. Let's go. Open App Store. Find any virtual remote control. Install. Your iPhone and your Samsung TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Connect the virtual remote control to the TV. Let's check it out. The remote is working. That's it. Now you know how to control Samsung TV with iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.